It looks like a boll weevil. So I just purchased this Craftsman riding lawnmower. Look at that tire. It's got the camber the kids like. Got the camber the kids like for sure. With those lawn saver tires. Hand driven hydrostatic. I would have got a John Deere, but it's foot driven hydrostatic, and my feet, I do not have range of motion in my feet. I like this. Just unlock it and you can check your air filter. It's got the gas tank there, I don't know about that. .540cc. 19 Briggs & Stratton overhead valves. Got a holder for my ginger ale. Hand controlled hydrostatic, like I said. And blade engage, and this is something I'm not used to. You're able to set the mower height on the fly. My John Deere had a bunch of guide wheels and crap. So, it must be kill switch. Kill switch. Where's the lights at? The lights come on automatically when it turns dark, or do they run all the time? Daytime driving lights. Would like to see storage under here, but we got a battery. On first glance, it seems a little well built. Craftsman's made by Troy Built. This is the T150. Got a 46-inch cutting deck, so I'm gaining 4 inches on my cuts. 18-inch wheel turning radius. Damn, could my neighbors fight anymore?